Hello, how are you all? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. We will share creative and inspiring tips for your home decor crocheting ideas. Today's video is all about crochet table runners. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your home decor. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe now so that you can find such type of new and updated videos. Crocheting table covers or mats can have a range of benefits. Here are some advantages to using a crocheted table cover or mat. Customization. You can create a design that fits your exact style and decor needs. Unique. Handmade items often have a distinct personal touch that sets them apart from mass-produced alternatives. Durability. Crochet can be very sturdy, providing long-lasting protection for your table. Protective. Helps shield your table from scratches, peels, and heat damage. Easy to clean. Most crocheted items can be machine washed or easy spot cleaned. Versatile. Can be made in various sizes, shapes, and patterns to fit different tables. Eco-friendly. Using natural fibers like cotton or wool is environmentally friendly, cost effective. Making your own can be cheaper than buying high-end table covers. Seasonal decor. You can create covers for different seasons or holidays. Functional art combines aesthetics with practically adding beauty and utility. Gift potential. A handcrafted table cover makes a thoughtful and personal gift. Comfort. Provides a softer surface to touch or rest items on. Custom fit. You can tailor the size and shape to fit unusual or custom size table. Creative outlet. Crocheting is a great way to express creativity and hone your crafting skills. The repetitive nature of crocheting can be relaxing and meditative. Enhance ambience, add textures and colors to a room, enhancing to overall ambience. Easy to store. Can be folded and stored easily when not in use. Heat resistance. Offers some protection against heat from hot dishes or cups. Breathable. Crocheted patterns allow air to circulate, which can be beneficial in warmer climates. Timeless craft. Crochet has a classic appeal that can complement both modern and traditional decor. Switching out Crocheted covers is an easy way to refresh your table's look. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like, so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crocheting regularly can improve your technique and speed. Pattern variety. There are countless patterns and stitches to explore, allowing for endless customization. Making a table cover can be manageable project for beginners. Dear viewers, with the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique idea. Thank you very much for watching our videos.